10th Standard Geometry. Chapter 7 Practical Geometry. Chapter 8 Theorems on Triangles and Circles. Chapter 9 Mensuration. Chapter 10 Polyhedra and Networks. Dear students, now let us study Chapter 7 Practical Geometry. Chapter 7 Practical Geometry. Dear children, in this chapter there are 3 units. Unit 1 Basic terminology of a circle and simple constructions. Unit 2 Concept of a tangent and simple constructions on tangents. And Unit 3 Concept of common tangent and construction of direct common tangent and transverse common tangent. Dear children, first let us study Unit 1 Basic terminology of a circle and simple constructions. The current learning points under this unit are: recall basic terminology of a circle, construction of a chord in a given circle, finding the distance of a chord from the center of a circle, verification of equal chords are equidistant from the center, and segment of a circle. Capsule 1. Dear students, in Capsule 1, let us recall basic terminology of a circle and study about construction of a chord in a given circle and finding the distance of a chord from the center of a circle. Basic terminology of a circle. Dear students, let us recall the definition of a circle. A circle is a closed plane figure every point of which is equidistant from a fixed point O called the center of a circle. Radius. It is a line segment joining the center and any point of the circle. In the figure, OA is the radius and it is denoted by the letter R. Chord. It is a line segment joining any 2 points on a circle. In the figure, BC is a chord. Diameter. It is a chord passing through the center of a circle. In the figure, PQ is a diameter denoted by the letter D. Observe that it is the greatest chord of a circle. Circumference of a circle. It is the total length of a circle, or it is the perimeter of a circle. It is calculated using the formula C is equal to 2 pi r. Arc of a circle. Arc is the part of a circle. In the diagram, chord PY divides the circle into 2 arcs, arc PXY and arc PRY. Arc PXY is called the minor arc or shorter arc, and Arc PRY is called the major arc or longer arc. Dear children, now pair up and answer. In the figure, O is the center of the circle and AB is the diameter. What is the special name for arc APB and arc AQB? Answer. Each of the arcs APB and AQB is called a semicircle. Semicircle means half the circle. Congruent circles. Observe these circles with centers O and O' and with the same radius. These are called congruent circles. Concentric circles. Dear children, observe these circles C1, C2 and C3 with the same center O and with different radii R1, R2 and R3, where R1 is not equal to R2 and R2 is not equal to R3. These are called concentric circles. Now, let us conclude. Circles with different centers but with the same radius are called congruent circles. Circles with same center but with different radii are called concentric circles. Dear students, note down this important conclusion. Children, check your progress. Name these with reference to the diagram. 1. OA, 2. AP, 3. PQ, 4. Arc PXQ and 5. Arc ARQ. Answer. OA is a radius of the circle. AP is a chord. PQ is a diameter. Arc PXQ is a semicircle. And arc ARQ is a minor arc. Dear students, now it is time to think and answer. What is the length of a greatest chord that can be drawn in a circle of radius 5 cm? What do you call such a line? How many chords can be drawn in a circle? Answer. First, let us answer the first question. What is the length of a greatest chord that can be drawn on a circle of a radius 5 cm? What do you call such a line? The answer is length of a greatest chord is 10 cm and it is the diameter of the circle. Children, now let us answer the second question. How many chords can be drawn in a circle? And the answer is infinite chords. That is, any number of chords can be drawn in a circle.